Ex-prisoners. What is a memory you look back on from prison? As a kid, I went to juvie, kid jail, for accidentally setting some woods on fire. It was a bonfire that got out of control situation, and my cellmate was only a few years older than me. He was a super nice, laid-back guy. We got along great, and even sort of became friends while there. I was just a kid, so I didn't really ask any questions about different colors of jumpsuits and people's reasons for being there. The day I got out, I found out he was there for martyr. Apparently he got really tired of his stepdad physically abusing him, and he ended him. I never really knew all of the details, but I can tell you that when talking to him, he seemed like a good kid at heart, had things and people that he cared about, things he wanted to do, interests, etc. The guards obviously must have known, but they were always super nice to him, noticeably so, even more so than other inmates. I always wondered what happened to him.